Let's talk about one of our most popular accent walls, which is actually the TV wall in our guest bedroom. Now, some people love it and some people think the design is too much, but I'll let you guys decide for yourselves. We started out by adding plywood backing for the slats and wood panels because we were using liquid nails to secure them and we didn't want the liquid nails to destroy our walls. We used 1/4-inch plywood under the vertical slats and 3/4-inch plywood under the wood panels. If you don't already have one, we highly recommend getting a laser distance measure. It's great for measuring large spaces, but also small awkward spaces as well. We use prime MDF for the vertical slats, specifically 1x3s, and use Jenga blocks for spacers. Now keep in mind that the actual width of these slats is more like 2.5. I did contemplate painting the slats a darker color, but I'm so glad I went lighter. This is Pure White by Sherwin-Williams. So for the wood panels, we use luxury vinyl planks because they already came in the perfect color and the interlocking feature just made the install so much easier. Bernard then added some corner trim to clean up the sides. I know having a TV in the bedroom isn't everyone's preference, but it's ours, and we actually have a lot of movie nights in here. Then it was time to hide all that unsightly cables. I included a cover in the design because no one wants to look at that. It's literally a box with a routed lid and painted iron ore by Sherwin-Williams. Bernard installed 2 brackets and the box just sits on top and it's secured on the underside. Once the slats and wood panels were done, the wall didn't feel balanced, and so I asked Bernard to paint a few color blocks using Rosemary by Sherwin-Williams. Here's a reminder of where our guest bedroom started, and this is what it looks like now. So much better already. Now this is a great stopping point in this project. We do have a few more additions to work on, like building a new bed frame, but that's not scheduled until later in the year. Remember, it's important to embrace and enjoy your project journey instead of just rushing to completion. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.